Hello, everyone, and welcome to GITEX Insights. I am joined today by Salman Ali, the Senior Manager for Solution Engineering for Meta for Riverbed Technology. Good morning, Salman.
Good morning, and thank you for the fantastic
Thanks so
opportunity.
much for being here. So can you just to kick us off, can you just give me some insights as to how Riverbed is leveraging AI to deliver better value for its customers?
Yeah, fantastic question, right? I mean, it's the talk of the town, right? Everyone's talking about AI, and so are we. So AI is being perceived as how can we implement AI into an observability front. So the theme of this year's GITEX for Riverbed is also AI for observability for the digital experiences, and that's what we would be displaying and showcasing onto our booth as well. Now, how are we leveraging AI? We were making sure that we gather the data, we collect the amount of data, we convert that amount of data into actionable insight, and then present it in a meaningful form to our customers. And that's what we were trying to do.
So recently, Riverbed has launched a research that explored AI adoption in Saudi Arabia. Can you just talk a little bit more about what are the different findings of that study? What are the challenges and opportunities in the kingdom?
Yeah, and similarly in Saudi Arabia as well, a lot of enterprise customers have already started to adopt AI, right? 87% have got this in plan that they've already somehow executed the AI plans, started some sort of projects. But the challenge has always been around how do they get the right amount of data and where the data should be coming in from. And according to the research, we've realized that around 42% of the customers are being challenged with the right amount of data. Data is not adequate enough. If the data is adequate enough, it's not the right data in. So we just wanted to make sure that we help those enterprise organizations to gather the right amount of data so that it could be interpreted into the right information and the output could be meaningful one so that they can take the right actions, or the system should be able to take the right remediations in order to fix the challenges.
Okay, thank you so much for sharing that. So, given the trends that you have found, so how does Riverbed's product portfolio support enterprises in terms of, getting an edge in the AI economy?
Yeah. See, the challenge with most of the enterprise organizations is the vast amount of data, right? They are getting data from every single uh, IT architect field, right? Be it networks, applications, infrastructure, cloud. It is becoming complex with time, right? So imagine the amount of data which is coming in. People are not getting enough information. A lot of tickets are being raised. It's becoming a very daunting task for the IT to get into this information and get meaningful information out to impact the business, right? And impact the business positively, right? So we want to make sure that the level 1 and level 2 engineers who are spending time in solving tickets, identifying these problems, they're able to elevate their time and shift left and move into more of strategic decisions, making sure that IT and the business are being collaborative. IT is actually acting as a bridge in order to make sure that the business is getting the positive impact. We help our IT organizations, enterprise IT specifically, to get them the insight via centralized dashboard, collect, analyze, report on the data which we are getting from networks, applications, infrastructure, cloud, as well as the end user devices. We have recently been recognized as a leader by Gartner into the DEX quadrant, which came out a few months back, which is a great testimonial of Riverbed, that we're doing this and we are engaging with our customers. We've been the leader on network performance monitoring for a very long time. I think been more than 7-8 years for us. And we want to make sure that we are collecting all of this and presenting to the IT landscape, IT owners, CIOs, CXOs via centralized dashboard in terms of how they can actually interpret those dashboards. So every single person would have their own data. So what we're trying to do is every single owner would have its own reports, but coming in from the similar sort of data set. And that's give them the leverage of finding out root causes, finding out the business impact, finding out where they should be spending time, and what are the dollars which they have actually lost because of any of the business impact centrally. And then apply remediations, machine learning on top, so that they're not able to see what is happening at the moment, but they're able to foresee what's going to come in future as well.
Thank you so much for sharing that, and it truly is an exciting time, with AI rising across, different industries, and we're definitely excited to know and witness what Riverbed will contribute and bring to the table in terms of enabling enterprises to fully embrace the opportunities. Thank you so much
Certainly.
for
Thank
your
you so
time,
much.
Salman.
Have a good day.